sa inyong lahat, mga magulang, mga ina. Welcome po sa ating parokya ng San Ignacio de Loyola. Dumating po kayo ngayong hapon sa simbahan para pabinyagan ng bata. Sa pamagitan ng binyag ng bata ay magiging Katoliko at Kristiyano. Ituro sa kanyang pananampalatayang Katoliko. Turuan siya ng dasal, ituro sa kanyang mabuting asal, ituro sa kanya ang mautos ng Diyos upang siya ay lugi, mabuting tao, mabuting Katoliko, mabuting Kristiyano. Kaya dapat gabayan at turuan.
Happy birthday, Jason!
I had my wings tied to the ground, but now I dream up in the clouds. I hold my feet, don't fail me now.
Happy birthday, Jason! We wish you a good health and be a good girl.
On the day, I wasn't made for second place. Going all the way, going all the way, going all the way, going all the way.
Happy birthday, more wishes to come. May your life be filled with happiness, love, and furthermore, blessings.
Going all the way, going all the way up. Going all the way.
Happy birthday and welcome to the Christian World, Jason.
Hi Jason! Welcome to the Christian World. Happy birthday!
All the light. So you can say I'm living proof, taking aim right at the moon. I'll be your hero when I lose.
Ayan, happy birthday and welcome to the Christian World, Jason. Ayan. So, sana maging healthy ka and lumaki ka. Okay.
Going all the way, going all the way up. Going all the way.
Hi Giselle, happy birthday and I wish you that in the future I hope you will grow up happy and be loved by a lot of people that you know and get a lot of friends, and I wish you have a wonderful life. I love you.
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best